It breaks my heart. But I also have a duty to the American people, to the American taxpayer, to safeguard and ensure the good use of these resources. I've bent over backwards doing everything I know how to do to prevent this, to partner or have tried to partner with authorities to respond.
In a major development, the United States has withdrawn $50 million, approximately 1.4 billion kwacha, in annual aid to Zambia's Ministry of Health. The decision follows the government's failure to respond to what the U.S. has described as a systemic theft of life-saving medicines, including antiretrovirals and anti-malaria drugs.
That's 1.4 billion kwacha in annual aid to Zambia provided for medications and medical supplies. For more than 1 year, the government of the United States has requested tangible action from the government of Zambia to respond to the countrywide systematic theft of these products provided by the United States. Shockingly, across these visits, 95% of the pharmacies that were selling the kinds of products that the United States provides were also selling stolen goods. I have stressed repeatedly that the accountable safeguarding of American taxpayer funds will require the United States to significantly reduce our contribution of medicines and medical supplies if meaningful action is not taken to hold high-level culprits responsible and to stop that theft. I have messaged that consistently at very senior levels since October. After more than 1 year of little tangible action by Zambian authorities to address this systematic theft of U.S.-provided health support, the United States can no longer justify to the American taxpayer continuing to provide massive levels of assistance.
The decision has drawn strong reactions from civil society and political leaders.
We call upon President Hakainde Hichilema's administration to clean up the Ministry of Health without fear or favor or looking at either tribal lines or whatever, to make sure that the ministry is clean up. We appeal to government to suspending all those involved in these corrupt practices at the Ministry of Health.
And Gordon Party leader Jackson Silavwe has also weighed in, urging the U.S. government to reconsider the aid cut.
We are of the view that the United States should reconsider its decision to cut $50 million in aid to the Ministry of Health of Zambia. Inasmuch as we agree that widespread theft of life-saving medicines must be stopped immediately by the government.
Meanwhile, Professor Wilbrod Mutale, Chief Executive Officer of Teledoctor, has stressed that this is not a simple issue, but one that touches directly on the health of ordinary Zambians.
This issue of taking away $50 million is not a simple issue. It is bordering on the health and lives of our people. So you can like it, maybe you want to politic, you want to say maybe people are complaining, and I think that that's not what we wanted to do. Like, we are not children. We are all adults in here. In this country, we know how things work. And so such a news should not be taken lightly, actually. It needs to be taken seriously by the power that be, but also for the doctors, the nurses, all the health people that have been running this ministry.
In a statement, Kanchibia Member of Parliament Sande Chanda has echoed the concerns, stating that government should not treat the development as a diplomatic embarrassment, but rather as an opportunity to confront corruption head-on within the health sector. When contacted for a response, Health Minister Elijah Muchima has described the matter as diplomatic in nature, stating that the government will issue an official statement in due course. Rachel Mumba for Diamond News.